One of our satisfied customers just posted a great review about us, and we wanted to share their fantastic feedback with you. We just love telling everyone about it because our goal is to give each customer a 5-star experience. Happy customers that leave great feedback like this motivates us to want to keep them happy by providing the best service possible to each and every one of them, each and every time. It's that simple. So the only real question you have to ask yourself is, what are you waiting for? Come by and experience our impeccable service today. We love to make you a happy customer. So thank you for stopping by. Contact us today and check out what we have to offer.